Surprising psychological facts about love. Love is a beautiful emotion that's inexplicable in words. People feel this emotion in various ways, allowing them to be closer and connected to the ones they love and yearn for. Even though it's super complicated, it can be alluring and amazing. All those moments that include love are a psychological reaction of our brain and heart. What we feel affects our body, mind, and soul. So in this video, we will discuss about surprising psychological facts about love. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Number 10. Attraction is based on obsession. While estrogen and testosterone drive lust, dopamine and norepinephrine are released when one feels attraction. According to Fisher's extensive research, humans manifest attraction in the brain areas that control reward behavior. In a number of Fisher studies, brain scans of people in love showed the primary reward centers of the brain lighting up after they were shown a picture of someone they are intensely attracted to. This helps to explain why the attraction component of love is based on feelings of obsession, as well as why the early days of a romantic relationship can be exhilarating. Number 9. Attachment isn't exclusive to romance. The third category of love, attachment, is associated with feelings of comfort and nurturing as opposed to infatuation and desire. The hormones oxytocin and vasopressin are the fuel for these factors in long-term relationships. And while lust and attraction are pretty much exclusive to romantic love, attachment is also felt through friendships, parent-infant bonding, and even how owners feel toward their pets. Number 8. The love hormone is two-faced. A study from Northwestern University revealed that the love hormone, oxytocin, which has long been known to promote warm, fuzzy feelings of well-being and social bonding, has a dark side too. The surprising research published in 2013 shows oxytocin can also cause emotional pain. The hormone actually strengthens social memory in the brain, and that includes bad memories. These memories can be triggered long after a negative incident. Healthy levels of oxytocin can help people feel connected toward their partners, but if the hormone is elevated, it can fuel toxic habits like jealousy and irritability. Number 7. Being in love changes you. If you find yourself watching romantic comedies when you used to only prefer thrillers, or if you suddenly love Mexican food when you didn't before, you might want to credit your partner. A study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that people in love often have different interests and personality traits after entering into their respective relationships. One of the study's authors suggested that people have a more diverse sense of self and an increased self-esteem after falling in love. Number 6. Love can be a pain reliever. A study conducted by the Stanford University School of Medicine found that intense, passionate feelings of love can be used as an effective pain reliever, acting similar to illicit drugs like cocaine. Researchers asked 15 undergraduate students to bring in photos of their romantic partner and photos of an acquaintance. Researchers then showed the pictures to their subjects, while zapping their hands with a computer-controlled thermal stimulator to cause mild pain. They found that seeing the image of their loved ones reduced the level of pain they felt. So if you're about to donate blood and don't prefer needles, perhaps you should have a picture of someone you love on hand. Number 5. Love is blind. Longtime married couple Richard Schwartz and Jacqueline Olds are Harvard Medical School professors and couples therapists who have been studying the evolution of love for decades. In one study, they uncovered the science behind the phrase, "love is blind." In a piece published by Harvard University, Schwartz explained how the feeling of love deactivates the neural pathway responsible for negative emotions, such as fear and social judgment. So when you start to fall in love, your ability to make critical assessments shuts down. Number 4. Love can make you sick. If you've ever heard someone say they're lovesick, they may have been onto something. Though it hasn't been proven that love makes you physically sick, it does raise levels of cortisol, according to Richard Schwartz, associate professor of psychiatry at Harvard Medical School. Cortisol is a stress hormone that has been shown to suppress immune function, making you more likely to get sick. Number 3, you don't have to be newly married to be head over heels. You might think that deep, passionate love is reserved exclusively for the honeymoon phase of a relationship, but a 2011 study showed that you can still be madly in love with someone after decades of marriage. A research team at Stony Brook University in New York performed MRI scans on couples who had been married for an average of 21 years. They compared the results with scans done in a prior experiment of couples that were in a newer relationship. The researchers found the same level of activity in dopamine-rich areas of the brain for both the long-married couples and those who were newly in love. The study suggested that as a relationship grows, the spark stays, but some of the initial stress is gone. Number 2, love does hurt. At times, love hurts, and being heartbroken is actually a real sensation and not just something that's only in your head. It's called Takotsubo cardiomyopathy, or broken heart syndrome. According to Harvard Women's Health Watch, broken heart syndrome is a weakening of the heart's main pumping chamber as a result of severe emotional or physical stress, such as the loss of a loved one or a serious accident. It occurs almost exclusively in women, and researchers are still figuring out why it happens. While it's rare, it is possible to die of a broken heart. Number 1, love is similar to being high. You may have heard that falling in love is like getting high, and there actually is some truth to that. A study from the Kinsey Institute published in Frontier Psychology found that the brain of a person falling in love looks a lot like the brain of someone who has taken cocaine. In fact, people in the early stages of an intense romantic relationship exhibit many symptoms of substance addictions, including euphoria, cravings, withdrawal, and emotional and physical dependence. The researchers wrote that romantic love could be considered a powerful natural addiction. That was all about surprising psychological facts about love. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.